Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Afred Stephanie. You already know. So today I just want to do a real quick video on how to order from TEMU. If you think this has been a problem to you and you are looking for like a quick solution to it, stay tuned to this video and watch to the very end. Okay, if you've been on my channel, you should know that I ordered some things from TEMU recently, and I just quickly want to share with you guys how I ordered it and how it came in flawless without any problem. I didn't have issue. I got exactly what I ordered. For you to order from TEMU, the first thing you need to do is to register. You have to like download the app and register. And I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can use my link to download TEMU and register. So it's so simple, very convenient. Just fill in the form like so. Then you go straight to the app. Everything just starts flashing. And there's one good thing about TEMU. TEMU offers great discount. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm going to explain that further in the video. So after filling in your information, then now you want to place your order. If what you're looking for is something within the range of maybe 5,000 naira or 8,000 naira, so you can just go to the filter and select your price range. It will make it very easy for you to see items under that price. That is one. Then the second thing is, do not play with your reviews. I don't know, I'm going to emphasize on that, but please do not play with your reviews. Any product you're buying, the more the reviews, the better that product. Go through the reviews, whichever country you are, try to see if there is anybody that has bought from your country. Try to see what this person's experience was. You understand? Go through all the reviews, click on the photos, check what the live picture of this item look like. Because most people do take a picture. Some even go as far as making videos with this item so you can see how it's so you can see how it actually looks. So go through the reviews totally, read every single of them. I not read all of them if they are not, but try to see what those people their complaints, if there's any complaints, if there's something they like about it. Just try to look out for it. There are some products that from A to Z there is no single complaint. Everybody's cool with it. Or sometimes the complaints might be something you don't really care much about. Check the pictures, check the videos. Make sure you shine your eyes and check everything. Check what these people are saying. If there's delay in delivery, if it is true to sizes, if it is small and all of that. Do you understand? Reviews are very important. Don't play with your reviews. Then another thing you should know is the measurement. Make sure you know measurement. If you don't know measurement like me, Google is your friend. Go to Google. If they said this particular item is like 70 cm or 10 inches or 4 inches, or the width is so and so, go to Google, put in that particular size on Google and let Google show you what it actually look like. Do you understand that? Or you can ask somebody that is good with measurements, that is good with sizes of things. So you don't go and order something and you're thinking you want to have like a very big thing, because that is one of the problems people normally get. They'll be like, oh, look at what I ordered, and this tiny thing came. It is the size measurement. Timo are not crazy. They are not crazy, honestly. They are definitely not crazy. It is what you order that they will definitely bring to you. So before ordering something, and sometimes some people, when you see people that complain about, oh, I got this, look at what Timo gave to me, I got this one, look at what Timo gave to me, this thing is too small. How will you go order a full couch, like a full settee, for 10,000 naira? No, how would you order a full settee for 10,000 naira or 16,000 naira and not expect a toy? It's not possible. There is no way you order a full settee or a couch and you want to buy it for 16,000 or 20,000 naira. No. You know how much they sell, like the range of furniture. Furniture should be ranging from, let's say, from 500,000 naira upward, right? And you're seeing it for 16,000 naira, you're expecting to get what? Or you want to buy a bike and you're seeing a bike for 24,000 naira. Really? Are you going to buy that? So I don't know, but just be sure with your measurements. This one is personal to me. There are some items that I can't and I won't buy on Temu. Items like hair, I'm never gonna buy hair from Temu. I'm never gonna buy hair from Temu. If you're looking for like a very good hair, human hair, good ones, I don't think Temu is a place for you to order, except you just want to buy those their hair. Like maybe you want to use it for some, but like a proper human hair, a good hair you get, Temu is not where you should get it. except somebody have a trusted vendor on Temu that this person knows that this vendor delivers good hair. You understand? Except you know a particular vendor or you know vendors that know how to deliver good hair, quality of hair. Aside from that, just going to Temu to order hair is so absurd. Don't do that. Don't do that. Temu is not meant for hair. Please don't do that. So that's that for that. Then for the delivery, you see the stated delivery time frame. It's normally like 2 3 weeks, but it will come in at most 2 weeks time. And guess what? Timo gives like a token for delayed delivery, and that's so sweet about them. Then what else should you know again? What else should you know again? Then one sweet thing about Timo is they offer great discounts. They offer really, really good discount. Let me show you the items I got from Timo. This very mic I'm using, this one, this particular mic I'm using, I ordered it from Timo. Yes, I did. And it's a two-in-one iPhone mic. Look at it. This is the second one. So you guys will be the judge of this mic, the clarity, the noise cancellation. I leave that to you. You guys should be the judge of this. Is it clear? Are you hearing any background noise? Because currently there's like kids playing around. Please let me know if you're hearing anything at all. Be the judge of this particular mic. So I got this mic for about, I'll be putting the prices here because right now I've forgotten how much I bought them. But it was less than 10,000 naira. I got the two-in-one mic for maybe 9,000 or 8,000 naira. Then if you want to buy just one of the mic, maybe just one, you can buy for, I don't know, but I think about 7,000 or 8,000 naira. So I decided to go for the two-in-one mic. And also for those that don't use iPhones, there is a Type C one. You can also order Type C one. I got this one for, I'll leave the price here. And this is 12 pieces of rollers with 6 clips. It comes with this clip. I did an unboxing video. I live stream my unboxing video, so you can go to my channel to watch them properly. With these clips, 6 of these clips, then 6 of the rollers. It came in sizes. This one and this one. There's like a bigger size than this one. The biggest size. This is like a medium, and this is a small. I ordered this nail kit. This is a nail kit. It contains a lot. It contains a lot. So I'll be using this to do my nails and I'll upload it so you guys can see how good it is. So all the items came properly. I ordered these scissors as well, these eyebrow scissors. They are in my channel. I already did like an unboxing video telling you guys how I feel about them. I ordered this LED video light. This one you're supposed to clip and you're supposed to clip this and use it with your phone or PC, to give you light in the dark. But currently it's not bright because it uses AA battery and I've put some batteries inside to try. It actually came on, but it wasn't bright. I don't know if my batteries are low. So I'm planning to get like new batteries before jumping into conclusion. So guys, for the quality of these items, it's actually very, very good. They are very, very good. Their qualities are good. Everything I ordered, the quality is superb. So if you want to download Timo, like I said in the beginning of this video, I will leave the link in my description so you can go there and download. And please, when you order, come and drop in the comment section. Let me know what's up, how was your order, was it smoothly, did it go smoothly for you, did you get your items? Please come and leave your comment in the comment section. Then also I talk about Timu giving discount. Yes, this whole things I bought from Timu, they were about I think 50,000 or 40 something thousand naira, but I ended up paying 20 something thousand naira. Is that not wonderful? And the delivery wasn't stressful at all. They brought it to my doorstep. Like I got like a home delivery. And that's one thing I like. I like when I order something, it doesn't stress me at all. It just comes to my house. I don't have to start looking for one post office or for something. It comes straight to your house. So guys, if this video have given you any value, please, you know what to do. Hit the like button and also drop your comment. Just say, I'll be buying from Timo. If you know you'll be ordering from Timo, just drop it in the comment section and just say Timo, okay? Please don't forget to click on the link to order so I can get like a little discount. Do you understand that? All right, guys. And if you've ordered from Temu before, please leave your experience in the comment section. I will be there reading every single comment. Thank you for watching to this extent, and I'm going to see you on my next one. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and hit the notification button so you can see whenever I upload. I remain your girl, Alfred Stephanie, and I love you, my Stephans. Bye.